Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on Samsung Galaxy A11 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Inside the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, apply heat and soften the glue on the fingerprint button, and then slightly push to take out the switch from the back cover. Now, the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the shield by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, take out the not working charging port board by disconnecting the LCD plug and 2 antenna heads. Next, place a new charging port board in the body, and then secure the LCD plug and 2 antenna heads into the board. Next, place the board cover by adding 8 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and fingerprint plugs into the board, and then secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A11 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.